गुड इवनिंग एवरीबडी. देव तुमकां बरी सांज दिव. तुमकां सगळ्यांक माहिती आसा की परवाच्यान 53वो इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया गोवा हो सुरू जावपाचो आसा म्हणून. हेज्या खातीर आमी ट्रॅफिक युनिट गोवा पुलिसाच्या आमी एक एलेबरेट ट्रॅफिक अरेंजमेंट स्कीम काडलेली आसा. इनॉग्रल सेरेमनीक फंक्शनाक डिप्लॉयमेंट केला. टोटल जवळ जवळ 320 पुलीस पर्सनल ते सारखे SP पर्यंत कॉन्स्टेबल पर्यंत फिल्डान आसतले. श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी ते फंक्शन जातले थंय आसतले, रस्त्यार आसतले, पार्किंग लॉटान आसतले आनी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलेले आहा ताका पार्किंग बी सगळें स्मूथ जावचें म्हणून. वीथ दोज अटेंडिंग द फंक्शन टू बी व्हेरी कर्टियस एंड येट फर्म. कारण कायदोय तोडपाचो न्हय. स्थितीन पार्किंग करतले, फ्लो ऑफ ट्रॅफिक स्मूथ जातली ही आमची हेतू आसा. मिरामार सर्कला कडेन आमी नो पार्किंग झोन म्हूण केल्ले आहा त्या दिसाक 20 तारखेक आनी बाकीच्याय दिसांनी बी. कारण बाकीच्या लोकांक पब्लिकेक इनकन्विनियन्स जावचें न्हय म्हणून. 320 ओपनिंग सेरेमनीक दवरलेले आसात. क्लोजिंग सेरेमनीक 191, 191 deployment total, right from SP to the constable. They will all be in the field. Me, my DYSP, we are drawing staff from the south as well, and we will ensure smooth flow of traffic from Margaon to the Zwari Bridge, Kortali, and from there to Shama Prasad and to EST. Parking plan kello asa. I will be circulating them to you all. My request is that you should get it published not only on our channels, you can share it with the print section also, the print media, so that wide publicity is given. And print media is also available online. I hope that will be circulated online as well. कारण आता नवे जे जनरेशन आहा ते चडशे तांकां संवय ना पेपर वाचपाची. ते स्क्रोल करताय. आता सगळे स्मार्टफोन जाल्ले आहाय आनी ते जो न्यूज आहा तो तुमी अपडेट बी दिताय. खंय एक्सिडेंट जाली किंवा आनी कितें घडलें ते ऑन social media you can get it. So I expect that you all will be circulating our traffic plan widely, not only through your channels, through the print media as also as on the social media. Now there is a press note also which we have drawn up, and I will be handing copies of this to you. My request is through y'all, through this medium, for the people, that this is a international event for Goa. Please help us to make Goa an international destination. We will take all steps to ensure that there is no inconvenience caused at all to anyone, even those attending the festival. They will go and spread the word that the festival was well organized, traffic arrangements were good, and in that is my hope, and I wish that you all spread this word throughout through your media. My DYSP, Mr. Siddhant Shirodkar, is here. He will take over from me.
The 53rd International Film Festival will be held from 20th to 28th of November. So these are the elaborate traffic arrangements which we have made. Those attending the opening and the closing ceremony that is at Shama Prasad Stadium, from on 20th and 28th, and coming from North and South Goa, except Panaji, are requested to come via NH17. And on reaching GMC in Bambolim, take Goa University Road and come up to the function place. Point number 2, those coming from Panaji may come to the function place via Taligaon or Donapaula. Point number 3, the Inox lane, that is the General Bernard Guade Road, that is road leading to DB Marg from Panaji Market along Inox complex, will be closed near CCP Market complex for entire period of 9 days. Car passes will be issued by ESG, indicating the category of the pass and respective parking lots. The parking lots identified for the opening and closing ceremony are Zone A1, parking inside Dr. Shama Prasad Stadium. Zone A2, parking in the open space adjacent to Dr. Shama Prasad Stadium near overhead water tank. Parking for the general public attending the opening and closing ceremony will be done in the open space near Goa University Cricket Ground and in the open space near All India Radio Compound. On other days during the festival period, the vehicles with car pass only will be allowed to park in the service lane near Inox Theatre, and remaining vehicles can be parked at Bandodkar Football Ground. No vehicles will be allowed to be parked on DB Marg. The motorists are requested to note the same and cooperate with the traffic police to ensure smooth flow of traffic in the city and the venues of the festival to make it an effective and a successful international film event.
Thank you very much.
If you have any questions or any queries to be
You
asked,
can fire away.
yeah. The copies of the arrangements are being given to you all. The sketch of the parking is also provided to you all. Other than that, if you have anything, now the red carpet, since last year and before that, it was through the main road side, but this is going to come to the courtyard, Inox courtyard.
How much staff did you say is deployed for this specific?
Now for the
Inaugural, it is 320 from SP to the constable, all ranks.
Okay.
and the other days 190.